Bitcoin rejected 70k. Is there more trouble ahead? Bitcoin is rejecting the 70k resistance for now. Is 60k next, or will it manage to break the 70k and up to 80k next? Let's find it out in today's analysis. Hello people, I'm the NakedTrader, and today I will analyze Bitcoin USDT, SALESFORCE Incorporated, MARVELL Technology Incorporated, WORMHOLE USDT, BRED USDT, and ETHEREUM USDT. By the way, if you're not a member of Team NakedTrader yet, would you be so kind to press that subscribe button, and while on the way, if you like this content, also smash the like button. And for now, let's kick off with the weekly performance of the crypto market. Overall, a few big green ones, like Notcoin is up 285%, BRED is up 66.8%, Ordinals 18.6%, TIA 21.4%, Jasmy 56.4%, Wormhole 12.7%, Floki is up 10.7%, and overall more red than green ones. Pendle is down 12.7%, Near Protocol minus 7.8%, Bitcoin Cash minus 6%, Kronos minus 6.9%, Core minus 12.3%, and if I change to the daily, Notcoin is also up on the daily 53.7%, BRED 21.1%, RON 7.6%, XE Infinity 7.9%, Wormhole 9%, Ondo is up 8.8%, Pit Network 6%, and some red ones, Little DAO minus 5.4%, Bunk minus 5.3%, Pepe minus 5%, Floki minus 4.5%, BGB Budget Token minus 7.5%, and from here I will go to CoinMarketCap. Currently we have a market cap of 2.52 trillion with a 24-hour volume of 47.18 billion. Current fear and greed is 60, which still is in the greed zone. And the top 10 coins of today are Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, Solana, Ripple, Doge, Cardano, and Toncoin. And from here I will go to the weekly performance of the stock market. Overall a mixed sentiment. We do see some red numbers. Microsoft is down minus 2.78%, Oracle Corporation minus 5.56%, Adobe is down almost 8%, Salesforce minus 15.84%, Intuit minus 12.96%, Apple is up 2.87%, Nvidia is up 5.62%. So we have a mixed sentiment here, and from here I will kick off with the monthly chart of Bitcoin. As May is closed, very bullish on the monthly, green candle, and currently we are in June, started a small tiny red candle. We are still in this huge box, and from the monthly I will change to the weekly. And here you can see it. Last week was a rejection, and so far this week also a rejection of the previous weekly high here. So currently rejecting the 70k area. I'll remove my I'll remove my brushes. And from the weekly, I will go to the daily. We do see some compression here, and I will show last week's scenarios. So what's going on here? We did have the small test of the 66.9 and now it's price very compressed. Rejection here at 69,450 of this. Okay, so all scenarios of last week are all still in play. So either the entry at 67,188, the entry at 61,357, and if it goes lower, then the next two entries at 55,790 and 52,100. And if the price managed to break the resistance here and then pull back with the entry at 70,800. So all scenarios are still in play, and from Bitcoin I will go to SALESFORCE Incorporated. At the monthly I'll add some levels. Small monthly gain. Okay, price tested the start of the impulse, very aggressive here. I'll change to the weekly. 212. Yeah, the price was also bought up over here, and now again over here. It was resistance over here, so nice. So far, no weekly loss of the start of the impulse here. The impulse started at $250. No weekly loss yet. So next week will be very important. Will the candle manage to close above 250? That would be nice. And else we do have a weekly loss. So imagine if it doesn't manage to close above here, weekly loss, and probably will test lower. Okay. I will change to the daily. I'll change to the 4-hour. Okay. I will make a plan for the coming days. On the 4-hour, I still see an open play, a play of $223, and then trying to go up from there. If it goes up from here, and let's say reject the 254, then it will probably go back to the start of the impulse here at 200, trying to go up from there. But be aware, if it loses support of the 200, then the next entry will probably be between 145 and 158, trying to go up from there. And if it managed to break through and let's say a test of 301 or even challenge the all-time high, pull back with entry at 271, aiming for all-time high. So 4 possible scenarios for SALESFORCE, and from SALESFORCE I will go to MARVELL Technology Incorporated. Currently at the weekly, I've charted this one somewhere in 2023, October. I'll post a link in the description. And if you had played the short here, then you could have been in profit about 19%, so congratulations. Take some profits and increase your stop loss or decrease. And for now, I will start at the monthly. So I will remove this scenario, this scenario, this one. What do we see at the monthly? A rejection of the $77. And over here we had some monthly losses of the start of this impulse. So potentially a lower high. Here's the high, low, potentially lower high, and potentially a lower low. And from here I will go back to the weekly. So the $65 is tested multiple times, rejected again, went back to the start of the impulse. Okay, so the entry at 57.82 is still in play. Then trying to go up from there and challenge the $88. And else, I would say, if it fall through support of 57, then the entry around 36.90, trying to go up from there. And if it falls through support of 36.90, then the next play of 21.60, trying to go up from there. And I will add one more. If it managed to go up and let's say break the 87.95, pull back with entry at 76.39 and print a new all-time high. So 4 possible scenarios for MARVELL Technology, and from MARVELL I will go to WORMHOLE USDT, currently at the weekly. So it just arrived at the drop off from the previous high here, the 67 cents. So let's see what we can find. And from the weekly I will change to the daily. Upwards pressure. So far it rejected the 67 cents. Okay, I will change to 1 hour. I'll go back to the daily and I will make a plan for the coming days. Okay, there is still a high risk entry at 59.12, aiming to break the 67 cents, and else I would say I would like to see a gain of the 72 cents, pullback with entry at 67 cents, and then aiming for 96 cents. And if it falls through support of 59 cents, then the play of 51 cents is open, but keep in mind that is the last line of defense. If it falls through support here, then we will see new all-time lows. So these are the possible scenarios for Wormhole USDT the coming days. And from here I will go to Bread USDT. Currently at the weekly. Nice green candles. So over the last few weeks it went up more than 200%. Nice. So there's not a lot of price information, but let's see what we can find. I'll add some levels. From the weekly I will change to the daily. And from the daily I will change to the 4 hours. $15 minutes. Okay, I'll go back to the daily. The entry here at 8.7 cents is high risk. I wouldn't play it myself, but it's possible. I would wait for the more defensive entry. The entry around 6.4 cents. Trying to go up from there. With a potential profit of first target point 35%, and then second target point where the price currently is about 75%. And else I would wait for the defensive play of 4.1 cents, trying to go up from there. So 3 possible entries for Bread USDT, and from here I will go to Ethereum, starting at the monthly. Nice green candle last month. So May closed with 24.66% up. Nice. Currently still at resistance from the last resistance for the new all-time high. A green candle so far. And I will change to the weekly. Just less than 13 hours to close today's candle. Okay. And from here I will change to the daily. Price is also compressed. Rejected the last drop off here. And now rejecting this resistance, the 3838. I will show last week's scenarios. So it's need to decide, what will it do? Will it test lower or will it break resistance? So I would say all scenarios of last week are still in play. So either the entry here at 3,271. If it falls through support, then it will go back to the start of the impulse entry of 3,058. And else we will see a breakout, a new high, and let's say the test around 4,474 with a pullback and entry at 3,886, aiming for a new all-time high. So these are the possible scenarios for Ethereum. And for now, thank you guys for watching today's episode. Enjoy your Sunday and see you in the next one. Cheers, bye bye.